Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl krissym and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are going to be doing a foundation review for the Fenty Beauty. This is their Eaze drop. I don't know if you guys have tried it or heard of it, but it's supposed to be really, really good. So I definitely want to get my hands on it and try it. If you are new to my channel, hey, what's up? Welcome to your girl's channel. My name is krissym. I do everything fashion, makeup, and some vlogs. So let's go ahead and hop into it.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford.
You guys, I love Fenty Beauty so much. They are one of the products that I actually started using when I first got into makeup. So, okay, so the skin tint is supposed to be a blurred skin tint. So it's supposed to be a light to medium coverage foundation. It's supposed to give you a nice blurred, smooth texture onto the face. The shade that I have is 20. I want to say that it kind of went in the range of what the shade was if you were to have like their regular foundation or their hydrating foundation. So I'm going to use a damp beauty blender to apply this just to see how it blends out into the skin. Before we get into the foundation, we're going to go ahead and prep our skin. This is the Fenty Beauty. This is their matte foundation. I'm just going to put a little bit on my face. I have oily skin, so anything that I put on my face is not gonna work without at least a little bit of a primer or a setting powder as well to set it. Hopefully the camera, you guys, is good today. I'm still working with this camera. I don't know if it's just the lighting in my apartment or what, but I feel as if it's still kind of off in a sense. Like, it's not as crystal clear like it was before. I may have to take it to the store and have them to kind of play with it for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna put like a few drops on my face of the actual foundation. It's not so liquidy. I thought it was gonna be like super liquidy, but it's not. Like, it's not dripping off my face. I like that. I feel as if maybe I could have went a shade down, but let's see. It's definitely light coverage. It's not like a full coverage, but the blur is not so bad at all whatsoever. It has a nice blurring effect and looks more smoothing. I'm gonna do another coat. I feel like this is a foundation that you're really just gonna have to build up, but also it's more of a natural look of a foundation, so you're not gonna get that full coverage that you're looking for with this foundation at all whatsoever. If you have really great skin, this will be so gorgeous on your skin. Just the texture and the consistency of it all, it will look just really nice on your skin. So that's what it looks like. Really nice, very light, very natural looking, not cakey. It's not so bad. Let's go ahead and finish up the rest of the face, and then we're gonna move on because I also wanted to test out the powder foundation from Rihanna. So I don't know if you guys know that she came out with a powder foundation, and I wanted to kind of cover it a little bit just to kind of get like a little extra coverage. So okay, so the foundation is actually really, really nice. I actually did about 2 coats on my face and I put it all around. I'm gonna do my concealer after I get my foundation on. That's just my new routine that I'm doing. But I really like it. It's really light. It is very buildable. It looks really nice on the skin. It looks really, really natural. I really like it. I do think that I should go down to 410 in the Fenty Beauty. I feel as if 420 is like my summer shade, and I just feel as if it's a little off, just a little, and I feel as if going down to 410 will probably be better for my skin. So I'm going to order 410 just to see how it is, because that can be my winter shade, and then we're going to go from there. But I wanted to get into the actual powder foundation. I'm just going to do like a light dusting on my face. I absolutely love this foundation. I think it's so pretty. It's really like a nice buildable powder foundation. If you've tried it, drop it down below in the comments. I want to know what you think about the Fenty Beauty, their powder foundation. I really like it. I feel as if you can definitely mix it in with the skin tint or any of the other foundations for a nice, like, smooth, flawless look. I believe this one is more of a medium to full coverage build, which is amazing. But yeah, again, I'm using 420 while I'm brushing this on my face. 420 is the shade on this one, and I just want to put it on because my skin is oily and sometimes it doesn't do well with just plain out foundation. So, and I feel as if the skin tint is really good for the summertime. You know, you just want to put something light on your face and you don't really want to do the most. You can do the skin tint. So that's pretty much how the actual powder foundation looks. I absolutely love the powder foundation. Like I said, it's one of my favorites. Just like, look at that. The coverage is so nice and is so gorgeous. Like, definitely one that you need to invest in and purchase. Again, I got 420 in this one, and I got 20 in the actual skin tint. I'm gonna go ahead and cover my dark under eye, and then we'll be right back to finalize the video. All right, your girl finished up her whole makeup look. Okay, I love Fenty Beauty. I love the foundation. I love everything about that skin tint. I think it's really, really light. You can build it up to a medium coverage foundation, you know, and get you a nice, you know, summertime glow. So definitely worth the buy. Also the powder foundation as well. Amazing. Like, I love all her stuff. I have a lot of Rihanna stuff, okay? So don't think your girl don't. But if you guys are new to my channel, you made it to the end of the video, hey, what's up? Welcome back to your girl's channel, or welcome to your girl's channel. Hit that subscribe button and post the notification bell so you are notified when I do upload new videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, loves.
Life is what you make it. Life shit been amazing.